Hello, welcome to Electronic Junction. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your internet or your wireless internet with your desktop. You may be having wireless internet from your mobile phone or from any other devices, wireless access point. Now I'm going to show you now how to share that internet with your desktop. As you can see, this desktop does not have internet access, and even this laptop is not connected. You need to have laptop and wireless internet connection device, and as you can see, this laptop is not connected to the internet. We are trying to see, then wireless is not connected. If you're trying to browse any website, you can see nothing is coming. So now we'll use our mobile internet to share with laptop, and then from laptop we'll share with our desktop. Currently desktop is not connected and also laptop is not connected. So the first thing, we'll try to connect our laptop to the internet through this mobile phone. Go to your mobile phone and also switch mobile hotspot on. As you can see, this is Electronic Junction wireless. Now we'll share this wireless with our laptop. Go to your laptop now and then try to connect with Electronic Junction wireless. It has already been connected. You can see our wireless is connected to Electronic Junction, and this one provide also internet access. So we are now connected with our mobile. Open Network and Sharing Center. Click to open. Go to Network and Sharing, and you can see here Electronic Junction Public Network. This is through Wi-Fi connection. Okay, go to Change Adapter Settings. As you can see here, click Change Adapter Settings. This will give you to this window. As you can see now, connected is Wi-Fi, Electronic Junction Wi-Fi connection. Go to Properties and go to select Sharing. Select or choose Allow other network user to connect through this computer's internet connection. Home network connection, you can see we have Ethernet 2, Ethernet 3, and Ethernet. But you can see this Ethernet 2, its Ethernet is cable unplugged. So if we plug our cable, this one will be enabled. So we'll share with this Ethernet network connection. Go to select Ethernet, because this one is the one which will share with our desktop. You can see Ethernet is already being shared. So we'll click OK to agree sharing. go down there. After clicking OK, now we have already shared. The next step is now to connect our network cable or LAN cable. Connect laptop and desktop. Use network port. Plug it there, and now your laptop and your desktop is connected through this UTP cable or LAN cable. Now let's go back to the desktop or to our screen to see if network is now plugged. Okay, if you'll see Ethernet here now, cable is after cable being plugged, you'll see an identified network, but it's already being enabled after plugging our network cable. And also, if you see to the desktop also, you can see network cable is also plugged, and also it's trying to search the network. Now we'll go to this Ethernet and go to properties to see if it has already picked our IP address. Go to Internet Protocol, TCP IP network address. This is the IP which is already being signed. Now we have IP. We want to see if the desktop is also has already obtained an IP address. Right click, go to Open Network and Sharing Center, and then choose Local Area Connection. Click, go to Details to see if it has already picked an IP address. Okay, an IP address which is assigned, you can see 172.3.1.291, which is completely different from that network. So now we'll go to this, we'll go to Properties to change this IP address, and we'll put it to automatic. Close this window. You see, this IP is completely different. This IP from the laptop, but this is also IP from the desktop. They are completely different. So we'll need to close and go to Properties, go to Internet Protocol, and then select or choose Obtain IP Address Automatically, and then click OK. You can see now our internet has already been shared. Our desktop is already connected to the internet. Thank you for your attention. If you have any comment, please give me, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Yet we will need to and then choose Local Area Connection. Click,